Hello, I'm Karan Talati, CEO and co-founder at First Resonance. Today, I'm thrilled to share our progress in 2023 and how our vision and principles continually shape the ION platform, empowering manufacturers to create pivotal innovations worldwide. As we reflect on ION's journey and look ahead, it's clear that our platform has become a cornerstone for top-tier manufacturers. ION has grown from a procedure tool to a comprehensive platform that enables compliance with bodies like the FAA and Space Force, streamlines financial operations, and reduces supply chain inefficiencies. Our customers are at the forefront, driving progress toward a cleaner, safer, and more innovative world in which we regularly explore beyond our own. We've been humbled by the exciting developments our customers are making in the world, and we can't wait to create the future with you in the year ahead. This year, we honed in on two core areas on the ION platform: enhancing production workflows and refining parts management. For production, we've optimized batching for higher output and introduced dynamic redlining to integrate on-the-floor insights into ongoing and future workflows. Standard steps now offer unmatched versatility, enabling manufacturers to standardize yet adapt to process variations as needed. These upgrades are game changers, offering the agility and efficiency needed in modern manufacturing. With parts management, we launched MBOM versioning and approval processes, granting clear oversight of changes across part numbers. Inventory management has also leveled up, with advanced merging capabilities and barcode scanning enhancements speeding up operations without compromising the granular traceability ION is known for. And with our new pedigree tools, manufacturers can now ensure precise application compliance, such as restricting R&D components from production assemblies or instituting additional checks for production runs. These developments signify a significant leap forward in how we manage and execute manufacturing at scale. In a few moments, Manav will share with you how we plan to extend ION's production and parts functionality in 2024. The ION platform is the bedrock for connectivity and programmability for manufacturers. It's designed to take manufacturers to new heights in 2023. This year, we rolled out ION Actions, a leap forward in manufacturing agility. Imagine programming your factory with just a few lines of code. That's the reality now. Our users are crafting operations that enforce precision, uphold part pedigree, and weave in complex approval processes tailored to specific industry needs. And it's not just about quality control. It's about redefining control across the board. We're not stopping there. More advancements to ION Actions are on the horizon, bringing even greater programmability to your fingertips. We're committed to a future where your factory's pulse is synchronized with the digital age, powered by software that's as dynamic as your workforce. Get ready for a journey where code meets the factory, where your operations are as modern as your ambitions. In 2023, we doubled down on our commitment to seamless integration. We've crafted powerful connections that bring manufacturers into the fold with leading PLMs, procurement systems, financial tools, and ERPs. We're just getting started. Jackson is on deck to unveil the exciting new integrations on the horizon. Stay tuned for that. While features and integrations often grab the spotlight, it's our commitment to enhancing your manufacturing efficiency that excites us most. This past year, we've reimagined the application experience, prioritizing speed and efficiency. The result? Workflows operating up to 100 times faster. We're talking about the critical processes you rely on: managing large data sets, kitting, and barcode printing and scanning. These have undergone a transformation, delivering more performance than ever. We still have a lot of work to do, but this focus on performance is what is driving every decision we make when we improve the platform. Now let's talk about the heart of the factory, the run execution interface. Recently, we zeroed in on the shop floor, where our technicians and operators bring our dreams to life. We're rolling out a beta that's not just an update, it's a complete reinvention, starting with run execution. Tailored to accelerate the technician's work, this interface is your fast track to shipping exceptional hardware. The full rollout of the new ION to all of our customers is just around the corner, and I'm eager for you to experience it within the coming weeks and months. Looking forward, let's talk about the pillars that uphold ION. It's a platform crafted for connection, programmability, and observability. tailored to tackle the distinctive demands of modern manufacturing and intricate supply chains. Our open API has been a game changer, linking machines and hardware under test directly to Ion. This integration paves the way for automated actions across historically siloed operations. With Ion Actions, the power of programming is in the hands of the workforce. It's a system for crafting factory logic with code, fostering a deeper digital interconnectedness essential for today's manufacturing landscape. We don't stop at functionality. Ion's architecture ushers in unmatched observability. Ion Analytics delivers ready-to-use data and visualizations, empowering manufacturers to make informed decisions swiftly. From quality control to financial oversight, the aim is a data-driven manufacturing environment where real-time insights and detailed analyses lead to smarter decisions by everyone, analysts, engineers, and operators alike. With the strides the world is making in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're actively developing AI-powered workflows. These allow for seamless integration of disparate events and data, automating what used to be manual, time-consuming tasks. Our modern architecture, coupled with our exceptional team, positions us to bring manufacturers AI and ML, integrating these cutting-edge technologies into your daily operations in Ion. Stay tuned as Eric takes the stage to delve deeper into this data-driven journey. Finally, I'd like to thank all of our amazing customers, employees, and our entire network for making this past year possible. We're proud to have shipped what we did in 2023, and we couldn't be more excited about what's to come in 2024. With that, I will hand it to Manav to share more.
Hi, my name is Manav, and I'm the head of the product team here at First Resonance. For those of you that do not know me yet, I previously worked in the satellite industry, where we were hindered by legacy ERP and MES software, so I'm painfully familiar with their problems. Our mission is to change that, and using the knowledge we have learned from you, I'm excited to share our strategy for Ion in the coming months. You will hear why we are approaching what we are from me, with a detailed section on each product area from our incredible product team. All in all, it's been incredibly impressive to see the amount of what you have accomplished over the last year using Ion. Along the way, you created dozens of terabytes of data that we are stoked to help you harness to make manufacturing faster. Take a look at this chart. You'll notice one of the largest sources of captured data is in the manufacturing industry. Yet, most of this data sits unutilized due to concerns about quality and complexity of the underlying systems that make transforming that data into useful insights a tedious and complex task. So, our goal through 2023 and well into 2024, our emphasis will be to help you capture significant and quality data by focusing on where the largest amount of that data comes from: production and the technician workflows. We want to assist the technician in working quickly and as efficiently as possible so we can use that data captured combined with our improvements in analytics and AI to begin extracting insights to help drive better decision making in supply chain, improve factory quality, create robust processes, and provide intelligent planning to increase the overall productivity of your factory. Now, capturing data efficiently is a simple task if you assume steady state with no engineering development. However, our customers are constantly innovating and developing new manufacturing methodology. So after we improve the technician interface, our focus will shift to making it easy to bring those innovations to the manufacturing floor by investing in how the rest of Ion connects with production execution. We'll create workflows that are not typically seen before in legacy manufacturing software. Armed with our focuses, let's dive into each area of the product, starting with production. Leveraging what we have built in our connected infrastructure between procedure authoring, supply chain, planning, and quality, production connects all of the functions of Ion to your end goal: building successful products, the main reason our customers look to us for their factory systems. What's amazing is our customers have incredibly talented technician teams, and we want to continue giving them the support they need to build quickly. In fact, our motto is to help them barely touch software so they can focus on building. So to support this, we are building a brand new interface that focuses on performance, new intuitive workflows, and aesthetics that help signal information to you at the right times. As Karan mentioned previously, we have already introduced 10 times to 100 times performance improvements. We will continue to make those in production and throughout Ion. This will make it easy for the experienced technician to be rapid, while the development in new workflows will make it intuitive for those learning Ion and their processes for the first time. In addition, you'll notice a cleaner look and proper signals for the right information. For example, a bar at the top informs the operator when they are checked in or when they have exceeded the expected lead time. To name a few other improvements, we are combining our run summary and execution views, so information is always right there when you need it. We'll automatically check people out based off of inactivity. You'll be able to associate parts to being installed and uninstalled to specific operations to ensure material is consumed at the right time, while making it simple and clear for the operator to do so. As you can see, a few key themes here are to help capture labor hours with minimal overhead and to ensure material accuracy so you have impeccable traceability. Next, to help bring engineering innovation to the floor quickly, we'll introduce brand new workflows, such as improving and merging multiple red lines simultaneously for a faster iteration process, an upgrade, regrade, rehaul, being able to quickly deviate part of a lot that has issues, upgrading an entire run to the latest version, getting to specific operations, improvements to differential views to compare changes across versions quickly, detailed run history view, and much more. We are really excited to get these new features into your hands to see how fast you can bring new innovations to your production line and beyond. I'll pass it to Gregory to discuss some more of the improvements we're making in the supply chain world.
Thank you, Manav, and greetings. My name is Gregory Israel, your favorite supply chain product manager here at First Resonance. Whether you're communicating part revision changes on a PO or you're updating delivery dates from suppliers, I've been there and I can deeply appreciate how integral the supply chain is to your manufacturing success. We hear your feedback, and so in 2024, we're committed to getting back to basics, removing the friction standing in the way of scaling your operations so that you can focus your time on building our collective dreams of the future. Over the next 3 minutes, I'll step you through the Find Anything feature, the purchasing renovations upcoming, new partnerships, and just like ridiculous quality of life improvements in material flow. Okay, all that being said, let's get into it. Getting to answers in Ion should always follow the shortest path possible. To do that, we're building brand new table views, a Find Anything feature, an infinitely filterable, manually sortable, savable, exportable way to seek answers, maintain a queue of work, or just maintain your sanity. In 2024, purchases are poised for some much needed renovations. Expect the basic functionality that all purchases need: approve, release, and revise orders. Yes, finally. Of course, not all manufacturing is done in-house, which is why we're enabling outsource operations on runs and reworks on issues. I love these features because they exemplify Ion's beautifully interconnected data model in a way that elegantly mirrors the real-life relationship between the factory floor and supplier. As supply chain in Ion grows, so it goes outside of Ion too. I'm pleased to announce an exciting new partnership with our friends at Datum Source. This partnership will provide turnkey integrations that unlock incredible functionality like requisitions, sourcing and quoting parts, retrieving supplier delivery dates, and my personal favorite, and probably yours too, connecting punch-out from e-commerce catalogs like McMaster and DigiKey. You'll be sourcing parts faster than you can say API. On the materials management front, expect major quality of life improvements. Kit to steps, kit to batches, synchronized kits with BOMs. You'll also get rapid bulk barcode printing and intuitive scanning that a toddler could figure out. And my personal favorite, receive all. Enough said. If you know Ion, you know our API is badass. And next year, expect badass automations that make your operations flow. auto-consume line-side inventory, auto-replenish to keep technicians supplied, unit of measure conversions to streamline receipts and ensure you deliver the right quantities to the floor. Finally, pedigree enforcements will ensure that R&D inventory does not touch your top quality runs. I'm so stoked for this upcoming year, and I'm excited to watch these features transform your operations and start changing the world. I hope you see it too. And now, on to Eric to guide you on a journey into the wonderful world of analytics. Namaste.
Hi everyone, I'm Eric, data engineer and product lead of ION Analytics here at First Resonance. Factories around the world are generating enormous amounts of data on a daily basis. As Manav mentioned earlier, most of this data is never used. With the rollout of ION Analytics in 2023, we started our journey to rescue and utilize this data to drive meaningful action in manufacturing environments. The initial release was focused on data access, education, and awareness. When we were first bringing ION Analytics to market, I had a lot of discovery calls with our customers, walking them through the new offering and getting feedback on the solution. Throughout this process, one theme kept coming up, and it really surprised me. I kept hearing, this looks really cool, but it wouldn't be useful to us because we have too much bad data, or we don't have enough data yet for it to be useful. As a data guy, this sentiment really pains me. I take a deep breath and discuss why that kind of thinking will lead to a compounding effect of bad data practices, which will get harder and harder to escape. Everyone wants to be data-driven, but actually achieving it takes a lot of work. Being data-driven means using bad data to highlight process and training gaps, identify automation or integration opportunities, among many other things. Being data-driven means starting today. Even if you're new to ION, understanding the data structure and what you're looking to get out of it can inform how you set up your environment so that you're collecting the data you care about by default. ION Analytics and the standard dashboards provide insights into your operations out of the box. At the same time, they're meant to open the user's eyes to the endless possibilities that this data enables. Our costed ABOM pulls together data from throughout ION to give a cost roll-up for a specific build, helping to understand both material and labor costs at a glance, but it also allows you to easily dig into the details where needed. The Run Field Data Dashboard allows you to easily look at the trends in the data collected in your manufacturing process and quickly identify outliers. The true value, though, comes in the democratization of data throughout an organization, allowing anyone and everyone to easily build what they need for their specific use case and then instantly have that available to their peers. Not only have we empowered our users to be data-driven in their day-to-day operations, but we also encourage the super users, data engineers, data scientists, or any data-loving individual to dive even deeper by providing direct access to their data through a standard database connection. The next phase, which we're embarking on now, goes beyond just surfacing this data and into using AI and ML coupled with the massive data exhaust from your operations to help users be more proactive and make better, faster decisions every day. These insights could be anything from simple data quality suggestions, think updating lead times, managing check-in sessions, to workflow suggestions and automations like auto-issue dispositioning or procedure authoring suggestions. As others have mentioned, our open API and data philosophies are core to what we do here at First Resonance, and we truly believe they will help elevate our customers to the next level. GraphQL, Python, SQL, it can be overwhelming at first, which is why we're excited to announce ION's Query Genie. We're using the advances in generative AI to power an assistant that will help you generate API calls and ION actions automatically, or allow you to ask questions of your data in natural language. It's currently in development with initial release expected in early 2024 and continued updates throughout the year. Our modern toolkit enables manufacturers to accelerate their production. With the addition of Query Genie, our manufacturers can accelerate even faster. And now I'll pass it off to my good friend and the man with the plans, Matt.
Hello all, my name is Matt and I'm an engineer at First Resonance and product lead for ION Autoplan. I'm just going to say it, manufacturing can be wasteful. Not that I think anyone would actually disagree with that. Thousands of decisions are made every day in a factory. Which part to order, how much extra inventory should be stored, or how to best allocate resources. Sometimes mistakes are made. Perhaps you forgot to order a machine part and it needed to be expedited across the country. Or too much inventory was brought in and excess parts had to be thrown away. Something else that factories do a lot of, manual status reporting. Constantly communicating build status to the rest of the organization is time intensive. I'm sure this rings true for anyone who has worked in a factory. The wastes in both material and people's time add up, and across supply chains have a macro impact on the world. AutoPlan can improve the efficiency of the factory and help reduce these wastes. We want to do this by inferring as much as possible about your factory from the data you already input into Ion. We'll continue to build on our modern tech stack to do this in a way that is both fast and puts little burden on your team. In 2023, we brought AutoPlan closer to matching the reality of your factories with features that include substitute supply allocations and adding plan reservations. We also made our system more robust as it became an everyday tool for many of our customers. Folks rely on this data to ensure that everything is ordered and that they are clear to build. In 2024, we're going to be putting more focus than ever on AutoPlan and drive improvements to the concept of clear to build by augmenting the plan data with installation data, bringing forward scheduling to life, introducing order policy, and providing flexible supply filters. These features will help inform how actions that are taken at the ground level contribute to the overall product you are delivering, and instill AutoPlan as a source of truth in your organization. Speaking of forward scheduling, we're going to be putting effort into answering the question of, when will your product be delivered? This will factor in constraints in your factory and inform on critical path. In this example, you can see how each task gets pushed out from today's date and contributes to the final estimation. This allows you to compare when do you need it versus when are you going to get it for your rocket, car, 3D printer, or whatever product your team may be building. Over the course of the year, we'll be looking to incorporate AI ML into forward scheduling to better predict outcomes in your factory, considering trends that may go unnoticed with conventional logic. We're looking forward to building out this next level of functionality with you all and making your factories more efficient. Now over to Jackson, who is putting the great in integrations.
Hi, I'm Jackson. I oversee integrations here at First Resonance, and I'm excited to discuss our vision for a highly interconnected factory. Over the last few years, we've come to understand how hardware manufacturers choose software for their operations. It's clear that a one-size-fits-all software solution doesn't address the unique requirements of today's hardware manufacturers. Conventional manufacturing software often imposes rigid processes that can hinder the iteration and delivery of innovative products. We are confident that hardware manufacturers should choose a suite of products that meet their specific needs. We designed Ion around the idea that your business's software stack should be configured your way. With Ion's open API and event-driven capabilities, we can create real-time interactions between the different software that you use to run your business. Ion's integrations remove the need for manual data migration into and out of Ion, streamlining the workflow for engineering, supply chain, quality, and manufacturing teams. So here's a typical look at a modern factory software ecosystem. In 2023, we've partnered with and invested in integrations with the best of breed quality systems, product lifecycle management systems, financial management systems, and work management systems to bring your supercharged factory to life. So over the next few slides, I'll cover how each of these integrations plays an integral part in the success of your business. The PLM is a central repository for your product's data. It's critical that buyers and the manufacturing team are synchronized with upcoming changes that affect production and procurement. Ion's PLM integration ensures that any product updates triggered through an ECO process are reflected instantaneously in Ion. This keeps manufacturing engineers and buyers laser focused on future builds. Our collaboration with leading platforms like Duro, Arena, and SolidWorks PDM exemplifies our commitment to empowering your team. Our integrations with ERP and financial systems are designed to streamline financial updates, ensuring they precisely reflect manufacturing activity. This synchronization keeps financial reporting in lockstep with the swift pace of production. In 2023, we began strong partnerships with major players like NetSuite and QuickBooks, turning the cumbersome manual process of managing purchase orders and receipts into a fast and efficient one. As we cast our eyes on 2024, our horizon is bold and ambitious. We're channeling our energies to unveil 2 comprehensive integrations with QuickBooks and NetSuite, designed to revolutionize and automate the intensive process of cost accounting. This isn't just an upgrade. This is a revolution in financial clarity and efficiency, a promise to empower your finance team with unwavering confidence and control over every number. In the realm of quality and production management, we understand the value of flexibility in work management. Our collaboration with platforms like Smartsheet is a clear demonstration of our commitment to your production management. It grants your planning teams the freedom to manage their workflows using the familiar and trusted tools of their choice. Looking ahead to 2024, our commitment deepens as we aim to expand our ecosystem. We're excited to announce upcoming integrations with leading platforms such as Jira and Asana. This is part of our ongoing promise to enhance your production capabilities, ensuring seamless connectivity and ultimate flexibility to align with your diverse operational styles. We are continually inspired by the inventive automation solutions that hardware manufacturers apply to manufacturing processes. As manufacturing engineers devise intricate automation solutions, their objectives become clear: accelerate production, maximize throughput, and enhance the quality of their factory's output. Looking ahead to 2024, we're inspired by your innovative efforts and aim to harness that knowledge to simplify machine connectivity for all of our customers. Our mission is to enhance Ion's integration with the factory floor, making it effortless to connect to machinery such as torque controllers, vision systems, test equipment, and PLCs. So before we conclude, I'd like to give you a massive round of applause for the role that you've played in expanding the reach of Ion's interconnected ecosystem. Your expertise has been showcased through the ingenious use of Ion's API, crafting integrations with indispensable software solutions vital to your operations. We extend our congratulations for your successful integrations with platforms such as Odoo, Dynamics 365, Epicor, and Ignition. We're really excited to see what you come up with in the future.
From everyone here at First Resonance, we want to thank you. We'd love to hear your feedback and continue the dialogue. We're incredibly excited to be on this journey with you and about the community we're creating together. Speaking of community, we'd love to see what you're building with Ion, so please share your pics on social and use the hashtag #BuiltWithIon. Thank you.